Imagine this. Just 30 days from now, you're speaking English with ease. You're not stopping mid-sentence to search for words. You're not repeating the same basic vocabulary over and over again. Instead, you're using real, powerful, expressive words, naturally, fluently, confidently. It's possible. And it starts today. This is your 30-day vocabulary challenge. In the next month, we are going to build a strong, useful, and real vocabulary, not just for test scores or reading, but for real communication, for speaking, for expressing yourself clearly and powerfully. Here's how it works. Each day, you'll learn just 5 new words. Not random or boring words, but words that actually appear in everyday conversations, podcasts, job interviews, movies, and books. Words that real people use in real life. We'll go over the word, the meaning, and a simple sentence. Then I'll guide you through a shadowing practice where you repeat the word and sentence out loud with me, just like training your muscles in the gym. That's how you'll remember it, not just in your mind, but in your mouth. Because to speak fluently, your mouth needs training too, not just your memory. Why 5 words a day? Because it's simple, it's effective, and it works. Science shows that small, daily practice creates long-term memory. And after 30 days, you won't believe how much you've improved. That's 150 new, active vocabulary words, not just words you know, but words you use. This challenge isn't just about learning vocabulary. It's about transformation. You're building the habit of consistency. You're creating the identity of a confident English speaker. You're showing yourself that you can grow every day, even if you've failed before, even if you've tried apps and courses and forgotten everything. This time is different, because this time you're not just studying. You're speaking, you're hearing, repeating, shadowing, and building real fluency step by step. And the best part, you don't need hours. You just need 10 minutes a day. That's it. 10 minutes to listen, repeat, and practice. 10 minutes to grow your vocabulary and build your confidence. 10 minutes that could change everything. So don't worry about being perfect. Don't worry about sounding like a native speaker. Focus on progress. Focus on connection. Focus on becoming a little better every single day. Because your voice matters. Your English matters. And your future in this language, it starts right now. This is your journey, your practice, your challenge. Let's begin, and let's master English vocabulary together. Let's begin, and let's master English vocabulary together. Today is day 1. Your first 5 words. Breathe in. Get ready. We're starting small, but starting strong. The first word is confident. Confident means you believe in yourself. You trust your ability. Repeat after me. I am confident in my English speaking. Again, I am confident in my English speaking. Good. The second word is improve. To improve means to become better at something. Repeat. I want to improve my vocabulary every day. Say it with me. I want to improve my vocabulary every day. Excellent. The third word is challenge. A challenge is something that is difficult, but helps you grow. Repeat after me. This 30-day vocabulary challenge will make me stronger. One more time. This 30-day vocabulary challenge will make me stronger. You're doing great. The fourth word is consistent. Consistent means you do something regularly, again and again, without giving up. Say this. If I'm consistent, I will see results. Let's repeat it again. If I'm consistent, I will see results. And your fifth word today is express. To express means to show your thoughts or feelings through words. Repeat after me. I want to express myself clearly in English. Again, I want to express myself clearly in English. Now breathe. You just learned 5 powerful words. But more than that, you spoke them. You used them in sentences. You trained your mind, your voice, your rhythm. That's shadowing. That's practice. That's progress. Remember, fluency isn't magic. It's momentum. Every time you speak, repeat, and shadow, you're moving forward. You're becoming the speaker you want to be. So come back tomorrow. Day 2 will bring 5 more words and 5 more steps forward. This is your time. This is your voice. Let's grow your vocabulary, your fluency, and your confidence one day at a time.